Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the new Benchmade Bailout knife. This bailout features a Tanto blade made from CPM S30V steel with a Cerakote graphite black finish. The handles are made from Ranger Green ultralight Grivory with high textured grip zones. And the blade measures 3.38 inches long, the open length is 8.12 inches, and when closed, it's 4.72 inches and weighs only 2 ounces. So it includes a tip-up mini deep carry pocket clip and an aluminum lanyard pommel. It has ambidextrous thumb studs and the axis locking mechanism, as you can see here. So the price and other details are listed in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for new products released at the 2025 SHOT Show. Also, make sure to like our video. That helps us out a lot. And also make sure to share with your friends and family. Thank you.